Okay, we're in section 36 and it's again that Sage code. I, personally think Sage is a good product, but again, I would never force this on someone. What I would say is find options that work for you. All right. Now, if you say I'm not interested in solving these equations over here using a computer, well, I'm glad for you because most stuff we've done over here, very simple problems. We've done simple problems done by hand. We want you to do them by hand, by the way. But I'm going to say Sage is very powerful, and I'm going to go through that with you. And let me clear this out. Whoops, I did it again. I'm going to reset. I'm going to do an X and Y variable. Most of our questions have X and Y in it in this section. At least I believe so. I might have used different letters for some of the word problems. I'm going to do a copy paste over here, and I'll explain what it's doing over here. It's solving two equations, two unknowns, but I'll talk through it. So solve this thing. I want to point out what it gives over here. This is a listing of two separate equations, where the equations 2x minus 3y equals 1 is one of the equations. The other equation is minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. And they want me to solve for the ordered pair, xy. I'll hit return, and what does it say? It does it immediately. Now, by the way, I'm going to copy paste this one as well, and I'll talk through it. There's two equations over there. The first equation's, 4x minus 2y equals 7 times x minus 2. The second equation, they're being separated by a comma, is 2x plus 8y is equal to 5. I'm sorry, equal to 5 plus 8, 5y plus 8. And I'll solve for x and y. Let's hit return. Gives me the answer. Okay, I want to see if I can test my new skill set in solving, let's see. Let's see if we can do number 2. So solve. Whoops, that's not solve. Again, if you have to look back at the code, I'm going to put the first equation, this is a listing of it, 3 minus 2 star x. If you put 2x in, it'll say it's wrong, is equal to 4 minus 3y. Again, if you put 3y in, it would say it's incorrect. It's 3 star y, right? What's the next equation, right? The next equation is 3x. That's 3 star x plus 2 star y is equal to 5. I'm going to close that out. That's my listing of equations. And what do I want to do? I want to solve it for an ordered pair x comma y. Okay, if I make a mistake, it's not going to blow up. Not going to be the end of the world. I'll just retype it. What does it say? X is 1 and y is 1. They give me this over here. Now you can play around even with problems that you might think are really difficult to do. For example, this one over here, you could still type it in. And let me do that for you. Solve. And again, I'm learning. I might make a mistake when I learn. So it's, 1 divided by 3 times x minus 2 divided by 5 times y is equal to minus 1, comma, second equation, 2 divided by 3 star x, that's times x, plus 3 divided by 5 star y is equal to 5. Again, repeat this, if I make a mistake, it's not going to explode. And that's going to be xy now, solve for xy. Now, granted, if I make a mistake, I'll know I made a mistake. What does it say? X is 3 and y is 5. Exactly what we have over here. And again, you can do this with all the problems, but our intent here is we want you to get your feet wet in a computer algebra system, but you still need to do these things by hand. All right, you got to do them by hand. It's not like typing. All right, you're actually doing these things by hand. Thank you.